We got a full class. So, okay, one more time. Can you hear me good, Ro? Okay. So I'm gonna further show you how scripting is working and all that. So let's take a look here. So far, yesterday, what we did was we only started off in the scripting, and you probably will enjoy working on script a lot here, because what it will do is it will help you automate things. Okay, so
So Zafar, how do we download the Notepad plus plus?
uh, just to the website, Google Node++.
It's like they have a bunch of options. Is there a specific one we need to download?
Yeah, let's take a look here. And let's go to the downloads one. And you probably want uh, okay, let's see which one I have here. I go into here about Notepad++. Stand with Hong Kong, okay. 32
Okay.
bit. It says version 7.9.
Okay, I see it. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
here. 32-bit. Okay.
yeah, that one.
Okay, thank you.
The good thing about Notepad++ is it gives you it's a text editor, but it got like bunch of other options.
Mhm.
So to declare a script, you must have this option there, and then after that, the script starts. Okay, so far in the script, what is script here? This is nothing but you're running a command lines in here. Okay, so if I go in here, root Red Hat. Oh, on this one I can't go directly, right? I need to fix this. Okay, so if I'm running this command here, echo, this is Zafar, I'm running that command on the command line. Okay, so what script does is it comes here and run this command, then after that it runs this command here. Okay, so now if I run the file, what is it doing is just basically reading the script and running that on the command line. There you go, it's the same exact result. Same exact result. Okay, everybody good so far? Good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what commenting out means. Um, before that, I'm gonna clear the screen. If you do ls, it says script, right? ls-l, but there is no extension to the file. Okay, so with the good rule of thumb is you give the extension to the file here. It's meaningless if the file has a extension or not, but the only reason you're giving the file the extension is because the file will be when you will be really using it, the file will be, oh no, sorry, it's for the others. So if somebody comes here and see like this is just a file here, but that person doesn't know if this is a script or not up until he goes in the file here. So the good rule of thumb is for the script you have to give the extension here so that people you're working with, they know what the script is. So let's see here. I'm gonna create a template script here. Okay, so vi, I'm gonna do vi template .sh. So generally acceptable extension is .sh. You could give .txt, anything you want, but .sh, like your co-workers would know this is a script file. So I'll hit enter. In here, I'm gonna give shebang. Okay, so everybody know what shebang is, right? You have to give pound exclamation. And then bin bash. Okay, and then the script starts here. And you do ls-l for you to be able to run the script. If you run like /template, okay, the permission is denied because the permissions are really important. Okay, so the general permissions for the script is chmod. Look, it says permission denied is even for root. You got to be careful with the script here because it could sometimes, if it's a wrong script, it could give it could do some damage. If the script is not up to par, it could hurt the system. Okay, so we talked about save and exit, and so this is what it is. Ls mod. Give me 1 second here. So the reason you have to change the permission is, generally speaking, there is no execution allowed for the file. So this is coming, all this is coming from the umask. Okay, so let me. You guys are so quiet. I need to know, are you guys getting this? Hello?
I mean, kind of, not really for me. I
Okay,
don't know
yeah,
about
I need to know that. I need to
Same
know.
here. I'm following along, but I'm kind of trying to understand as well.
Okay, in that case, I'm gonna stop here. Give me your team viewer, okay? I'll walk you through. That way you will know. Because your job depends on this. If you don't learn this, it's gonna be difficult.
Go ahead, Mirza. You can go first.
All right. So whoever want to go first, give me your team viewer. Then we'll move forward.
He can go first. I'm actually on a different computer right now, so Austin can go first.
Okay, I'm ready.
1415.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's that first one. Yeah.
Okay. It says, what is your number? Is this the one?
Yeah, that's the number. I gotta give you the password. I think. I'm opening up TeamViewer now.
Okay.
It's 749 MM. Oh, MNN.
749.
Yep. MNM.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, go ahead and connect with party.
Okay. I need to create create
No,
a
just put
machine.
in an IP address. You could do that later. Just put
Just
in
put
an
an
IP
IP
address
address.
and connect. 192. One nine three. Yeah.
Just open it.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, you did uppercase. Duplicate it.
Yeah.
Right click and duplicate again. Yeah, there you go. Lowercase. There you go. Okay. Yeah, minimize everything else in the background here so that we're just focusing on one thing. Okay, good. So now let me get rid of this. So, okay, do you have anything in here? Do ls?
No, not yet.
Okay. So let's create a file. Do um, create file vi script.
Create a file, VI
Yeah,
script.
yeah.
What kind of file? Which one?
No, yeah, just go enter
Oh,
into VI mode. Yeah, go ahead.
copy.
Yeah, okay, fine. And do
And then
ls on it.
VI script.
Hold on, before that, do ls-l. Okay, so get rid of that anaconda file. Yes, it's a distraction.
Huh?
Yeah, remove that anaconda file. RM.
Oh.
Okay, good. So if you look closely, the permissions are 644.
Mm-hmm.
And nobody has execution permission, right? Okay,
No.
good. All right, so let's go ahead and open script in VI editor. VI script, yeah. Now you got a blank file here, right? Now, for the system to know that this is a script file, so what is
Mm-hmm.
gonna run is gonna, so go ahead and type pound exclamation. Yeah, do I to go into the insert mode. Now do pound exclamation. Yeah, no, we gotta have a slash bin slash bash. Okay, go down next line. Go down couple. I mean, give it a space, couple lines. Now what we're doing is we are opening a file bin bash. Okay, so for the system to know this is it's running the file. Give me 1 second here. Is she going to? That's a pink hat. Close room. Okay, sorry about that. So now, okay, or actually duplicate another window. Let's duplicate another window. Log in. Okay, type, yeah, clear it. Type echo. No, I'm going to show you something else. Yeah, delete that. And then space, echo space, and then say, put in quotes, this is a Linux course.
This is a Linux code.
Yeah. Put in put that sentence in quote, double quotes or single quotes.
Huh?
Put that text, put that sentence in quotes, like this.
In code.
Double quotes, yeah.
Yeah. How do I do that?
I'll show you. I'm sorry, like this, okay?
Cool.
And hit enter.
Mm-hmm.
Hit the enter key. So what happened here is this is a Linux code here, okay? Now go ahead and copy that, and then let's put it in the script. Copy the command, the top one. Copy the whole thing. Yeah, there you go. Sorry.
Right here.
Yeah, but you got too many spaces there. Start from echo and then stop at code when you're copying it. There you go. Okay, that's it. It's copied. So go in there and then just simply right click. Okay. Enter a couple times so that you have some good space there. Okay, escape. We're gonna have to save and exit this, okay? Save and exit. Yeah, there you go. Now for the method to run the script, you have to put the period and a slash.
Period and a slash.
And then name of the script, type script. Enter. You notice, right? You are not able to do tab, right? Because it's a safety feature. It says permission denied. The reason the permission denied is the script need to run the execution. The execution rights. So if you look up, if you do ls-l, do ls-l.
Yeah, there's no X.
Yeah, there is no X to any of them. So go ahead and give the general permissions you would give is 744 chmod 744. And space and the give the script.
Enter.
Yeah. Now do LSF and L and let's look at the permissions closely. So the owner has an execution permission here, okay? So now run that script. Okay, this is called running the script, okay? Pound, period / script. Enter.
So am I able to tab after?
Yeah.
After we give it permissions?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I got it now.
Now what happened is, so what the file did was, whatever you typed in that line, open another tab.
Another tab?
Yeah. Another window, right click, duplicate, login. And then go into the script. VI
Cat or VI?
VI.
Okay.
Okay. What do you have in here? Echo?
We have the command. Echo command.
Okay. You have an echo command. You take the same. You took the same command from the command line, and you put it in a file, right? And when you run the file, it's running what's inside the file.
Yep.
Okay, let's go ahead and do another command here. Do ls-l.
ls-l?
Yeah. Okay, so you got this command here now. Now go into the script and type ls-l on the second line. No, actually here. Yeah, type ls-l. Save and exit. Okay, now go into the other window. Go into the other, no, not here. Leave this alone. Go into the third window. Yeah, now run the script. Okay, now since you have two commands in there, it's running two commands.
Right.
Go back in there and put in a couple more of your favorite commands in there. So go into the middle. Yeah, there you go. And add like 3 more commands in there.
Motion detected at your back door.
Mm. Will it create another file if I
Very
do
good.
text?
Very good thinking. It will. When you go into the store, close the door. There you go. BFFNH. Wow. Now you see you could literally put in any freaking command you ever know of in here. Similarly, you could put in thousands of commands in there. If you could run one command, if you could run two commands, you will definitely be able to run all the commands here. Now go into the window on the right side. Now clear it and run it. Okay, there you go.
Oh,
So it's okay. You got the idea here, right? It's running what's inside the script.
yeah. Can I do ls l
It already
hyphen
did it for
l?
you. There you go.
Oh, where? Okay, I see right here.
It did LSL for you because it was a second command. It created it.
Motion detected at your
Yeah.
back door.
Okay.
So instead of putting like 5 commands in here, so what it's doing is when the script is running, the system is this executes. That means bash run all these lines here. So the system copies this and then run it on the command line, and then it picks up the second one, it runs on the command line. It picks up the third one, runs on the command line. And so if you have like 10,000 in there, it's gonna do 10,000. And look how fast
Right.
it's doing it. Look at the
Yeah.
results, it's the same exact result. Echo, this is the result right there. And this is the result. So right now it's kind of all crumbled together. What you could do is, if you want to make it look nice here, go ahead and put echo and then in all of them, and it gives you spaces there. So go ahead
It's almost like using the comma command or the but just in a script in a file or a script file.
it doesn't matter how you're using the semicolon or not. What it's doing is it's just running it in the order. It's in there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you want to make it look nicer here, what you could do is,
Echoes in between.
yeah, you could put echo, and then give a space there. Yeah, put echoes in there. Yeah. Okay, so echo is if you don't have anything right next to, whatever it has right next to is going to give that output, okay? If it doesn't have anything, it will just give a blank output. Okay, save and exit. And then run the script on the right side. No, not the left, right side.
Mm.
There you go. It gave the spaces there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now what you could do is go back into the script again. And yeah, go in there. Wherever you give echo command, then you could actually like give a, yeah, go into insert mode. And here what you could do is if you want to see a separation here, you could just put like bunch of asterisks in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, now do that for all the echo. Copy that and then do it for all of them. You getting it? You got the idea now.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Did you save it or no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now run it again. So it's not doing what it's supposed to. So what you have to do is you have to put quotes on it. So go back in there. Now put all the asterisks in the quotes.
In the oh, okay. So it'll read the commands, but if you're trying to text, you have to put it in quotes.
Yeah. Now you could see some separation there.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So definitely you got the idea here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is it. This is just the beginning here. I mean, you have to know some of the basic stuff. That's all you need. Okay. All right. So let me go to the next person. Who was this? Was it Mirza or Haroon?
Yes.
Okay. So you want to share the screen, then I'll walk you through, and then you get the idea.
Okay, one sec. ID is 404 348 376.
Okay.
Password E like Edward 83S1H.
Okay, I'm in. Okay, so where is your party? Right there. Okay, so you're ahead of the curve right there.
But I couldn't on this one. I couldn't get out. I couldn't save and get out.
Yeah. So are you doing shift colon?
Okay, yeah, I got it.
X. And do ls-l. Now you have to give the permissions here, right?
Yes.
Chmod space U plus X. No, letter U plus X. Yeah. Remember we could do not that U. Letter U. Okay, you could do 7744 whatever. You could use a number or the letters.
Okay.
And the script, it kind of changes the color too, but I wouldn't rely on that. Okay.
changes it to green.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So now, what you might want to do is
Detected at your back door.
now run it. The method of running the script is period slash and name of the script. No, not exclamation, period. Period, yeah. Type a period and forward slash and then type the name of the script would be script. Hit enter. There you go. Now go, open the other window, other putty, and then we're going to analyze this, what happened here. Okay, now do vi script. Okay, so you said echo, this is Linux, right? So what happened is the script goes inside the file and reads the line, reads the command, and it's going to give you the output. So it's literally copying this. It's literally copying this and putting it on the command line for you. Okay? Right. If I run this now, this will be the output. See? It's the same exact output what this script has. So now what you're doing is you're making a bunch. Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's mean that in the script, whatever command we type is executed.
Very good. It is executed on the command line.
Command line, right?
Mr. Zafar.
Yeah.
So let's say we wanted to do like an installation, like yum, like install Firefox, right? Or
go ahead
like
and do it.
We can do a bunch of installation commands in script.
Absolutely.
Is that what we'd be doing during like work?
That's what exactly you've been doing it.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and do it. Go open the script file. Oh, maybe it's open on the other window, so close this. Just Q to quit. No, hold on. It's already open in the other window, so go ahead and you have Firefox installed on this system?
I don't know.
Okay, hold on. You probably want to look into changing the resolution because it's too big.
Yeah.
Let me get rid of this search bar here. It's kind of distracting. There you go. So go all the way on the bottom. And then over here, type yum install Firefox.
It's not letting. Install?
Space Firefox. Then give a space -y because no, you're typing in Firefox wrong.
Oh, okay.
Hit escape. And then save and exit. In other window, run the script.
The window behind it.
Yeah, my cursor sometimes is doing. Okay, so this.
Clear the screen and run the script. Period slash script. Forward slash script. No, don't give no space. Okay, now it ran it. Now it's installing the package for you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
So when we create the file, we name it based on what the script is gonna have inside of it.
You are the king. Whatever you want to do it.
Okay.
Definitely. That way, the questions you're asking me, it tells me you're getting the concept of what is happening here.
Mm-hmm.
It's literally any command you learned so far, you could put it in there.
so
Right.
we can give permission in this script.
Why not?
Uh,
You're running the permission on CLI, right?
right.
Why not?
Uh,
You could create LVM. Why not?
uh,
In fact, go ahead and try it this week and see how those things are working. I mean, here's the thing here. I want you guys to crash the system.
huh?
I want you all to crash the system. The more you crash it, the better you learn.
I crashed like a 6 times.
Good. You may have learned some bunch of stuff. Not little. If you want to have this after this, if you want the system to restart, you could do that too.
Oh, okay.
See, you're not doing anything. It's doing now. If you have like 10 applications to install, you just put it in a script and run it. And then you could, if you want to install that 10 application on 100 computers, I'll show you when we go into Ansible. I'll show you how you could run a script on 100 computers. And then you go home and come back. Everything will be ready for you next day or whatever. The skills I'm teaching you, these are very high demand, high skilled, it's probably high in demand, and it's a high skilled labor job. So, I mean, after the graduation, you guys should demand a minimum of $50 here, okay? Per hour. I'm not kidding. It's normal. Once
can
we
hope
prepare
so.
all the resume and radio start getting the calls, if you demand a $50, everybody is willing to pay you at least 50. But then based on the situation, you could also tweak or demand more. So it downloaded, it's doing the Yum thing. So I don't have to explain that too much.
So LVM scripts and VI editor, these are main important things in this.
Yeah, VI editor, you need to know how to, you get a good hang of it, how to edit it. but nobody's
Yeah.
going to ask you question about it. But LVM is the number one here. If you can't kill the LVM questions, you're not going to get a job. So LVM should be a part of your daily practice. You practice everything, and then LVM should be the part of daily practice. Okay.
Oh,
Are you good now?
yeah, it's installed complete.
Yeah, but you got the concept, right?
Yes, yes, thank you.
Okay, good. Now, who's next? Who want to go next?
I wanted to go next, but I'm not on my computer right now. But I followed along and I get the concept of it very good now.
Where are you?
Excuse me?
I mean, are you? I mean, you're just joining from the phone, or what's happening?
No. I'm not home right now, so I found a computer at my friend's place right now. So I downloaded the Team Viewer, not the Team Viewer, the WebEx, and I'm just following the session. I'm gonna follow along with it when I get home. I'll just catch up with it. So I didn't want to miss out on the class.
Yeah. I mean, the server is down now, but you could have connected to server. Download. You could have downloaded the party and connected to the assignment server. You could do that too. But it's down. Yeah, I didn't realize the server went down. Um because the Comcast has been a pain in neck here. So we'll see how it goes. But anyway, so let me go ahead and this is the basic. Once you understand the basic, that's it. You got it. Okay, let me go ahead and continue. So I'm going to exit this. Okay, you could still see my screen now, right?
Yeah.
So the next concept is uh, so I'm gonna go into the script and so the script identification. Okay, so the script itself does not need any extensions, right? But generally it's a good idea to have extension as .sh. Okay, example, I have this here as template, that example. Okay, this will help your team to determine it's a script file. Okay, so that's how you determine it's a script. And how do you run the script? Did I officially showed you to run the script here? No. So running script. So how would you run the script? You have to do this here. /script. And you will run the script. Okay, and let's see here. What else? Now I'll show you what is commenting out. So if I go here and go VI script, okay, I have all these lines here, right? And if I put a pound in front of the line, what will happen is, let's go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna say script. What happened?
It will stop executing.
Exactly. It will skip that specific line. That's it. It went through the entire script and skip the file here. Okay. So
So it allows you to keep the like command inside the script. I mean, inside the I guess the script, but it doesn't
run
execute
it.
it.
Yeah. The
Okay.
moment the pound starts from the fresh line, that's it. It won't run it for you. So normally this is what you do is, when you're writing the script here, so what you do is you put a pound here. This is script generated by Zafar, and this is educational only. Okay, you could put some text in it too. So if you run it, so it's not going to run that part. Okay, and it's not going to give you any errors too. Did you get it? This part will be blind. It will be the script with this, wherever the pound sign is starting, the term it's used is comment out. Your colleagues will say comment it out. That means if once you comment that out, that line is not readable by the script, or that line is not executable. Okay, so let me give you another example here. Pound ls-l, then I'm going to say this is echo, this is this line is working. Okay, let me just put a comment on here too. So here, whichever line doesn't have a comment on it, it's working. Whichever one has comment on it, it's not working. That's it. Okay, even though there is a significant amount of commands in here, so the moment this line is comment out, that means it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do here is comment out. The proper term is called comment out. Comment out. Hash is used for comments or disabling specific line in script. Okay, so help me with here, which line is disabled?
This is educational only. This is script generated by Zafar.
Okay, good.
The command underneath.
Comment out. Commented out. Triangle, begin, select, style, stroke. So these two lines work fine. Whichever line is commented out, it will not be read by script. Okay, so now let's make create some trouble here. if I go vi/etc/fs tab, another program may be editing the same file. This is what the. So what will happen is everything is files and folders, right? What will happen if I do the pound sign here? If I do the pound sign here, the system is not going to read it. When I restart, it's going to crash. System wouldn't be able to go back into the file, into the operating system. Watch, because I disabled the root VG. Uh-oh. It looks me bad here. What happened? Restart. Duplicate. Sometimes you have to do one of those things. Red Hat. Oh, I can't log in directly, right? Yeah. Okay, so apparently I could do that here. You know what? I'll come back to this later on. Okay, so let's not mess with this. Okay, so let me get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna let's take 5-minute break here. I'm getting a call. I need to take this call. Okay, and then we'll come back in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back now. Sorry about that. So you got a good idea what the echo command does is, I'm sorry, not the echo, the comment out. If you want to have the script not read that out, you could do it. And you could also do that in the configuration file too. Okay, so I'm not gonna put that here because it's confusing already here. So duplicate session. Okay, and okay, so before I end, let's take a look at the script file and let's make it nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say copy script, and then I'm gonna say it to basic file, basic.sh. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna give okay, cannot create regular file basic read only file system.
But it's created for me. I don't know.
It created for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to. Script cannot create a regular file. This is read-only file system here. So what happened here is when we went into root here, VIETC tab. It says read-only, right? So we have to make it read-write mode. So mount -o remount read write sysroot or read write boot. Okay, now let's see here if I am able to. It says still read only mode. So I have to check how do I get out of the read only mode. So if you don't remember, generally speaking, you don't have to remember everything on top of your head, okay? So you could Google it. Just put whatever you think it's gonna be. Put it in the search here, will come up here. So the command would be etcfs tab. No, I don't like this. Mount, I think it's mount -o. How to build a read-only permissions. Writable. Okay, it's working now. And then I'm going to go to vi/etc/fs tab. Okay, so when I reboot next time, it will work. Okay. Don't worry about what happened here. So I copied the basic script to basic script here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into vi basic, and what will happen is each command I will make it look nice. Okay. So what I'll do here is I'm going to delete this. I'm going to do X. I'm going to say echo output of ls-l. Okay, and then I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to say copy this. Okay, and then what I'm doing is I'm just making it nicer here. Okay. So I'm going to say output of pwd. Okay, then I'll have the pwd command run through it. This one is uptime. If you want to have like a bigger space, you could just give another blank echo here. Okay, and before and after you could give like a nice space so that it's easier on your eyes, you know what I mean? Okay, echo So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like this. Nothing over here is rocket science. It's just making it look nice on your eyes. Play around with VI editor as much as you can, because this is going to be easier for your life. The more you do it, the better it gets. Like moving around in the VI editor, I'm easily moving around without any problem. So I'm gonna save and exit, and if I run this basic, so it gave me a nice output here. Okay, so look at here, it says output of the FS tab, output of the DFF and H. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It says output of LSF and L. So if you are me, what I'll do is I'll create a script to the side and keep it here. So when you get a ticket that says this computer has a problem, you could come up with the idea of having basic computer information in front of you, put it in a script, and then run it. So anyway, you're gonna be checking the uptime, how long the system is being updated, the free, all those things. You could put it and keep it running for you. Okay, so should I continue, or is it too much already for you guys?
I'm understanding.
Okay.
We'll practice today and see what's tomorrow. We'll see.
Yeah, I don't have to. So I'm gonna say basic. It's not a rocket science, guys. It's very, very easy. It's just a matter of putting the commands you already know in the file. That's what it is.
Is this has any command limit or no?
No command limit. You could write like a complex, very, very complex script here. If you're very dominating in scripting, you are giving yourself another $20 an hour. If you want $70 an hour, concentrate on scripting and all the other things.
It's any command which we can put in the script for errors to see the errors in the script.
Very good, very good. Let's put a command that's gonna generate. So I'm gonna say.
I couldn't hear you.
This command generates the errors. Okay, this command doesn't exist, right? If I put this command on a command line, it will give the message that says command doesn't exist. So it says the command not found, okay? So it's gonna do the same exact thing. If I run this, it ran everything, and then on the bottom it says the command not found. But when I run this, I'm gonna say 2 greater than an error. What will happen now? Can somebody tell me?
It isn't gonna work. The script isn't gonna work.
No. Did you remember what a redirector is?
Mm-hmm.
How many redirectors we have?
Uh, Is
Three,
it three?
yes.
Two? Three?
Three. One is a input, other one is a output,
Oh,
and the third one is errors. Okay, guys, so let's see here. Okay, standard input, which is gonna take the input from the file here. If you're doing cat file 1, it's a standard input. You don't have to put in 0 less than sign in there. Okay, this is what we're doing, but in the background it's doing this. And cat standard output, you're redirecting to the file. Standard output is the one that comes on the screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever is coming on the screen, you're redirecting it somewhere else. And the error is gonna come on the screen also, but you're gonna capture the error and put it either on the file or you put it into the dark space. So if I do this, okay, what will happen at least when I run this here? What will happen here? This error will go into this file error. The file will not be there, but it will be generated. Okay, look here, the bottom line here, this command generates the error, but the error is filtered out. And where did it go? It created a file name error, and when I do the cat, I see the error in there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a basic simple concept here. 2 greater than will catch the errors and it will redirect you wherever you want it to go.
It will cache the errors, you said?
It will, yes.
Okay, and then it'll redirect you wherever you want to go.
Yep. Here, look in here. It says this command is generated, okay?
Mm-hmm.
If I run this without 2 greater than sign, this is generating it on the line here, okay?
Yeah, I see that.
This is the error. So if I run this command, I'm telling to cache the error and throw that whatever the errors into the file name error.
Yeah.
Okay, so the actual error is now showing up here. It says this command generates the error here. When echo is running this command, echo is a legitimate command, so it will displaying this. But whatever below is the echo command I put in to generate an error, it was redirected to the error file. Why did it go there? Because I told the system to do that.
Okay.
If I do this here, it will not overwrite the file. It will keep adding it to the file. I should see 4 lines in there. There you go.
so it's a good idea to, when we do this scripting, we put this command error, so we know is anything, we can go to the errors and check it out.
Very good. Yes, absolutely. Now you see all those things. The basic commands are, you know how they are, like basic commands. You're running it and they are helping you somewhere else. And you could see how everything is coming together now.
We should do that every time.
Not necessarily, it's up to you. When you become a Linux admin, you probably are king in the. You probably be. It's a high paying position, and everybody will come to you. And you have some authority there because you have a root access. And I told you already, use it responsibly. So, Okay, I think that's enough for today. So I'm gonna stop it here, and I'll catch up tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All
Thank you,
right.
Mr. Zafar.
So
Thank you, Mr. Zafar.
okay, no problem. Have a good day.
Mr.
Allah
Zafar, I
Hafiz.
texted you as well on WhatsApp.
Okay, I'll check it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.